How to transfer liked songs to playlists on Spotify. Let's get started. Launch your Spotify. Now navigate to the Your Library tab. Here you're gonna find different sections. Head over to the section of liked songs. Now here you're gonna find all the songs that you have liked. Now how to share this liked songs to a new playlist. For that, what you can do is head back. First of all, create a new playlist. For that, click on this plus icon. Now go ahead and give a name to your playlist. Click on Create. Now click on the option Add to this playlist. You'll get this kind of pop-up, Suggested Songs. Scroll to the right until you find the option of songs you liked. Once you get this, click on this plus icon in this way. With this, all the liked songs will be added to this playlist. Now you can go back and check in the playlist. Likewise, if you want to transfer any of these songs in the existing playlist, what you want to do is open the playlist, then click on this option of Add to this playlist. Scroll to the right until you find the option of Liked Songs, then click on this plus icon for the song that you want to add. With that, the song will be added. Now you can head back and check in the playlist. So this way you can easily transfer liked songs to playlists on Spotify. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.